Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Lutron Caseta scenes with Lutron app exports easy tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your Lutron Caseta scenes using the Lutron app, start by opening the Lutron app on your smart device. Once you are in the app, navigate to the main screen where your devices and scenes are displayed. Select the Scenes tab to view all your created lighting scenes. Locate the scene you want to back up. Tap on the three dots or settings icon associated with that scene. From the options that appear, look for the Export or Share option. Choose Export to generate a backup of your scene. You may be prompted to select a method for export, such as email or cloud storage. Select your preferred export method. If you choose to email, enter your email address in the recipient field. Add any additional information in the email body, if necessary. Once ready, hit Send to complete the export process. Repeat these steps for any other scenes you wish to back up. After exporting, check your email or cloud storage to ensure all scenes have been saved successfully. Consider organizing your backed up scenes in a specific folder for easy access later. This will help you restore or recreate your scenes if needed in the future. Lastly, make sure to back up your scenes regularly to keep your lighting preferences secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.